Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can get custom fonts and how you can change your name, for example, on TikTok with a custom font. So guys, it's super easy, and now I will show you how. So as you can see here, now my name, as you can see here, is with emojis and also with a custom font. So what you need to do here first is to go on your web browser, for me for example Safari, and then you need to go for in the website for LingoJam, all right, lingojam.com. And after that, what you need to do here next is to scroll down until you see fancy text generator here. You need to press on that, and then you need to basically put your name, username, whatever you want here. For example, for me is top advice. Press done, and as you can see here, there is a lot of custom fonts with emojis, even beer, for example, another fonts. So as you can see here, there is a lot of fonts that you can choose from, and once you have the font that you want to use it, for example this one for me, what you need to do here is to copy this font here and then go back on TikTok here, and then if you want to change the font, what you need to do here is to edit profile, as you can see here, and then for example select the name, and let's copy that font here, and as you can see here, my name is changed with a custom font. So guys, if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.